everyone, this is Chris from Australia. Just thought I'd show you a bit of an update on the Lola 270 replica, copy, or just my interpretation of a Can-Am style race car. I've been doing a little bit on the body of late. I've started on an alloy body. I'm not a bodybuilder by trade, I'm just a normal bloke in his shed having a bit of a crack. Got some suspension work still to do on it, but we'll slowly get there. I hope to have it ready for its first outing at Geelong Revival next year. So we'll see what happens. All the gauges are wired up now. I've also made a relay box and fuse panel that fits into the door aperture, so it's easy to get to the fuses. Bit of temporary wiring there, as you can see, so that we could run the engine. I have a good friend called Tony. He's been trying to put a fuel map in it to make it run a little bit better, but he's struggling because he's working with a bit of a dope at the other end of the computer called me. So we have had the motor running. Runs pretty good. A little bit rattly at the moment, but yeah, not quite sure what that is. The engine builder's going to work that out. The trumpets, I did a pencil drawing of what I wanted. I sent it to another mate over in the UK called Paul from Mofast. He did a CAD drawing of it for me. I then sent it to my friend Tony, and he 3D printed them out of carbon nylon. They seem to be holding up quite well at the moment. So haven't had any issues with it. I'll see if it'll start up for you. As I say, I've still got some suspension work to do on a couple of sides, a bit of wiring, and I reckon I could take it for a drive, other than putting the gearbox in the back of it. I've been waiting on some parts for that from Subi Gears. Hopefully they'll turn up soon so I can put all the gearbox together, and we'll see what it does. Alright, I'll see if it starts. So that's the beast. Hope you enjoyed the little video, and hopefully the next one you'll see it maybe on the track somewhere. Cheers.